Why? Astana that, you know? Oh, is it?
Jamaican athletes continue to show the world why they dominate the track. And this time it was Kishane Thompson and Tia Clayton stealing the spotlight at the Astana Indoor Meet, the opening goal meeting of the 2025 World Athletics Indoor Tour. Now, Kishane Thompson proved why he's a force to be reckoned with. The 23-year-old Olympic silver medalist sprinted to victory in the men's 60-meter final, clocking an impressive 6.56 seconds. Despite the unfamiliar chill of winter, Kishane kept his composure, edging out Oman's Ali and Japan's Shuhei for the top spot. Now, earlier, Kishane cruised through his semifinal with a time of 6.58 seconds, showcasing the consistency that makes him a rising star. Speaking about his experience racing in such cold conditions, Kishane said, "This is my first time experience to see so much snow and feel so cold. It was, of course, interesting, but I was very, very cold." Now, though Kishane limped slightly after the final, his stellar performance signals a strong start to the season. Fellow Jamaican Rohan Watson placed 8th in the final, clocking 6.82 seconds after a semi-final effort of 6.80 seconds. Now, the women's 60-meter final belonged to Tia Clayton, who powered through to victory in a blazing 7.18 seconds, breaking the meet record. The MVP track club sprinter left Portugal's Lorraine and her own sister Tina trailing in her wake. Now, Tina's time was 7.36. Tia's dominance began in the semifinals, where she clocked the fastest time of 7.22 seconds. Her twin Tina also showed by finishing second in her semifinal heat with 7.43 seconds, securing her spot in the final. The latest win adds to Tia's growing legacy as one of Jamaica's most promising young talents, with coach Stephen Francis continuing to fine-tune her immense potential. Now, other highlights to note from this meet, the Seda Williams, the Kingston-based Barbadian national record holder and Olympic medalist, displayed her class in the women's 400 meter. Now, she surged ahead in the second lap to claim victory in 53.51 seconds, while Jamaica's Janice Russell placed fourth with 54.37 seconds. In the men's high jump, Christoph Bryant's cleared 2.10 meter, securing fifth place in a competition won by Puerto Rico's Luis with a jump of 2.15 meter. Now, Kishane and Tia victories underscore Jamaica's ever-expanding dominance in track and field, from the outdoor circuits to the indoor arenas. As the 2025 season kicks off, their triumph in Astana are not just wins but statements. Jamaica is here, and its sprinters are ready to leave their mark on every stage in a 2025. Jamaica to the world again and again. Later, Sharika Jackson should be racing if, and we will let you know. We'll keep you updated on that. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Best up yourself. Happy weekend. Take care of yourself and each other. Eat some good up food. And blessings. Always.